read this one? Don't read log 25 to the power of 5. So how to read this one? The first concept I told. How to read? Log 5 to the base 25. How to read? Once again read all of you. Log 5 to the base 25. How to find out this value? Whenever we want to find out the value, log 5 to the base 25 is equal to x. Whenever the logarithm will be equal to some value or some variable, it will be changed into what? Exponent form. So it is called as logarithmic form. Now we are changing into exponent form. How to change exponential form? 25 x will become as power 25 to the power of x is equal to 5. Now here what is the base sum? 25. 5 is changing into 25. Is it possible? Not possible. But 25 will be changed in terms of 5. How to change? 5 square. Whole power what is there? X is equal to 5. If there is no power, what is the power? 1. 5 to the power of 2 into x, 2x. A power m, whole power n is equal to a power mn is equal to 5 power 1. Bases are equal, powers are equal. 2x is equal to 1. X is equal to 1 by 2. X means what is the needed value. So overall, log 5 to the base 25 answer is what? 1 by 2. Listen all of you, don't write the answers. Now listen next sum also, thereafter you must write. Now listen, log, read all of you, 343 by 125. What is the model of this one? Log of a by b. Log a by b. What is the formula? You learn the laws of logarithm. Log a by b is equal to formula is what? Log a minus log b. They will ask, find the value, expand the value, like that they will ask. So log 343 by 125, expand or find the value. How to, what is the procedure you want to do? It is in the model of log a by b. So you must go to the second law, log a by b is equal to log a minus log b. Instead of a, what is there? 343 minus, instead of b, what is there? 125. But it is not a final answer. Further simplification you want to do. How to simplify? 343 is possible to change it in the power form. So how to change? 343 will be cancelled by 7 table. 49 times, 7 7 times, 7 1 times. So overall 343 how to write in simple way? 7 cube. Like that, take second number. 125 is cancelled by 5 table 25 times, 5 table 5 times, 5 table 1 time. So how to write? 5 cube. Now listen, both have log 7 cube, log 5 cube. What is the model of this one? Both have in the model of log a power m. What is log a power m formula? M into log e. So apply the formula for both the terms, for first term and second term. Log a power m. A means 7, m means 3. 3 log 7. In the same manner, log a power m. A means 5, m means 3. 3 log 5. This is the final answer. Otherwise, what is common number for both 3? 3 of log 7 minus log 5 is the final answer. Do you understand or not? They will ask, find the value of log 343 by 125 or expand log 343 by 120. Both have same model. So apply what law? Second law, and again if between third law should be applied. Log a power m is equal to m into log b. Now note down these two sums. Now listen, read the problem. 2 power x plus 1 is equal. Now read the problem. 2 power x plus 1 is equal to 3 power 1 minus x. Find x. Here the basis is not equal. Impossible 2 will be changed as 3 and 3 will be changed as 2. In this cases, you must take log on both sides. Now take log on both sides. Log on both sides. Now listen, log 2 power x plus 1 is equal to log 3 power 1 minus x. Very, very important. All of your reading is very, very important. Don't read log x plus 1 to the base 2. How to read, Amma? Log 2 power x plus 1. Once again, log 2 power x plus 1 is equal to log 3 power 1 minus x. Now listen, it is in the model of log a power m. Log a means 2, m means x plus 1. What is the formula? M into log a. So both have same formula. Log a power m. A means what? 3. M means 1 minus x. Same formula should be applied for both LHS and RHS. So m into log a. M means x plus 1. Not a single term, it is expression. Whenever you are writing expression, put it in bracket. Log 2 is equal. Same formula should be applied. M into log a. M means 1 minus x. Expression bracket log a means log 3. Onwards, general multiplication only. X bracket means into log 2. X into log 2. What is the answer? X log 2. 1 bracket means into 1 into log 2. 1 log 2 or log 2. Both have same. Similarly, same one. 1 bracket means into log 3. 1 into log 3. Log 3. Minus x into log 3. Minus x log 3. Which value we want to find out? X. Whenever we want to find out the value, that value always lies in left hand side. That means x we want to take left hand side. Remaining terms should be right hand side. X log 2 already there. Minus x log 3 come to LHS, what will become? Minus will be changed as plus x log 3. What is the term should be left in RHS? Log 3. What is the term should be left in LHS? Plus log 2. Plus log 2 will goes to RHS, it will be changed as minus log 2. What is the common variable in these two? In LHS, xx. Take x common. What is the remaining one? Log 2 plus log 3. This one not change. I rewrite as it is. Log 3 minus log 2. Which value we want to find out? X. X into means bracket means int. X is equal to log 3 minus log 2 into will come to RHS will be changed as what? By. What is the answer? Log 2 plus log 3. Do you understand or not? Same model, one more sum I will explain. Don't write. After explanation, you must write down. Listen, all of you, one more example in this model. Now listen. Read this problem. 3 power x is equal to 5 power x minus 2. So 3 we can't change as a 5 as a base. 5 we can't change as 3. In that case is what I told. Take log on both sides. Take log on both sides. So before you must put log 3 power x is equal to log 5 power x minus 2. Both LHS and RHS are in the model of log a power m. Formula is m into log a. So in LHS, a means 3, m means x. In RHS, a means 5, m means x minus 2. So apply the formula for both LHS and RHS. By applying formula for LHS, x into log 3. It is not an expression, single term. That's why I don't need to put in bracket. Is equal to m means x minus 2. Expression, put it in bracket. Into log a means log 5. There is no multiplication. LHS, rewrite as it is. RHS, you must go to general multiplication. X into log 5. X log 5. Minus 2 into log 5. Minus 2 log 5. Before logarithm, don't take negative side. That's why minus 2 log 5 first come to this side of LHS will become as what? Plus 2 log 5. Minus 2 log 5 come to LHS, what will change? Plus 2 log 5 is equal to, what is the value should be left in RHS? X log 5. What is answer in left hand side? X log 3. What sign is there? Plus. Plus will goes to what? Minus x log 3. What is common variable? X. What is left? Log 5 minus log 3 is equal to, what is there? 2 log 5. 2 log 5 into, come to this side, what? By log 5 minus log 3. What is the variable should be left here? X. X is equal to, what is the answer? 2 log 5 by log 5 minus log 3. Now rewrite the two sums.